Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering everything you need so edits are fast and reversible. Open the latest, PPTX, and keep a backup copy named File Name Backup. PPTX. This protects you if a change breaks layout. Load any external images or fonts into a single folder so links stay intact. Once done, scan the slide sorter to identify slides to update and note slide numbers. Make sure the presentation template and master slides match your intended style before you change content, because fixes later take more time. Now edit slide content deliberately. Change headings first, then body copy to preserve reading order. This helps maintain visual hierarchy. Replace images with high-resolution files, then compress them to about 150-220 KB to balance quality and file size. Use master slides and layout placeholders so spacing remains consistent. When you drag an element, snap to guides to avoid misalignment. Once visuals are set, update charts and data tables, linking to source files if you expect later updates to keep numbers live and accurate. Finish by checking consistency. Run spell check, verify slide numbers, and rehearse timings to confirm flow. Export both a flattened PDF for distribution and an updated PPTX for editing. Embed fonts so appearance is preserved on other machines. Test the file on a different device or viewer to catch rendering issues. If something breaks, revert to your backup, then duplicate and isolate the problematic slide to troubleshoot. This lets you fix one slide without losing the entire update. Make incremental saves as you finalize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.